Yoga of Renunciation of Action in Knowledge, Chapter 4, Shloka 29 and 30.
Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Others offer as sacrifice the outgoing breath in the incoming and the incoming in the outgoing, restraining the courses of the outgoing and incoming breaths, solely absorbed in the restraint of breath.
Chapter 4, Shloka 29. Apane jukhvati pranam, prane panam tata pare, pranapanagati rudhva, pranayama parayanaha.
Others with well-regulated diet offer vital airs in the vital air. All these are knowers of sacrifice, yagna, whose sins are destroyed by sacrifice, yagna.
Chapter 4, Shloka 30. Apare niyataharaha pranan praneshu juhvati sarve pyete yajna vidho yajna kshapita kalmashaha.
Chapter 4, Shloka 29 and 30. Pranayama is another technique to control the mind explained in this shloka. Pranayama involves control of the breath to control the senses. In this, either the outgoing is sacrificed in the incoming breath, or the incoming breath is sacrificed in the outgoing, and this process of blowing out is called puraka, and the reverse process of filling in is called rechaka. The holding of the breath within or without, between, in the two processes is called kumbhaka. The combined process of the two, practiced in the proper ratio, is the technique of pranayama. In this yagna, the subsidiary prana is offered in the main prana. Prana is not breath, but through breath control, the activities of the pranas are controlled. The activities are the physiological functions of the body called prana, apana, samana, vyana and udana. By this technique, the capacity to withdraw the perceptions is developed, which aids meditation. Shloka number 30. In this yagna, through systematic regulation of the diet, complete mastery over ourselves, along with the sense appetites and passions, is developed. Through regulated dieting, man's character and behavior, and finally, the cultural quality of the person can be refined and raised. Depending upon the temperament and activity, the different food materials are prescribed. Only those who know these techniques and also practice them continuously get purified of their sins by replacing the wrong habits of the past with new habits for cultural development and evolution. All these techniques can make you meditation worthy. In meditation, the ego first withdraws its own false thinking patterns and finally comes to discover its own divine nature. So, all the techniques are only means and not the end in themselves. Also, in all the techniques, self-effort is very important. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita commentary by Swami Chinmayananda available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.